Hello guys, imagine you have been given an HTML file like this one, which contains tables of student data with their scores, and you have to convert it into Excel. This data is about BECE results given in the form of HTML file. Now, how are you going to convert this data, table of data, into Excel? There are two ways of doing this. One is by using Excel Power Query, the other is by using Python script. So in this video, I'm going to use Python script to automate the task of changing it to Excel. Now the data here is not real. The data we have in here is not related to any school. You can see that it says empty the barrel DGHS with some names. They are not related to any student. So we'll be given a script, a zip file which is bec.zip file. When you get such a file, don't extract it, just double click to open. It contains a folder called BECE. Folder is pasted on the desktop, not anywhere. The folder BECE should be found on the desktop for the script to work. When you open this folder, there are two files. One is batch script file and the other is Python script file. In order to follow suit with this tutorial, you need to have Python installed as well as Microsoft Excel installed. Now, we wanted to do this. This is the HTML file. We want to extract the data in the form of the table which is in it into Excel. So copy this into this. Copy the HTML file into the BECE folder. That file should be found inside the BECE for the script to work. Now, the next thing is to double click on the batch script. The moment you do that, it will open command prompt and then begin to let the Python script execute its tasks. Now it has finished within a matter of seconds. So imagine you have about 200 number of students in that HTML file. Doing it manually will be tedious. So you can see that says total student process is 18. Press any key. So you just press any key. I pressed enter key. The moment you do that, it creates extracted underscore results file, which is Excel file. Let's see what is inside the Excel file. So in this Excel file, you could see the data that was in the HTML file has now been converted into a structured data. So you can see the column heading and then the data being arranged, each value under each column. And then it also creates for you the aggregate for each student, picking the four core subjects and then 2 best to make the aggregate. So this script actually works on 2024 BECE HTML files that will be given. It doesn't work on the old one, which we have the PDT and then the integrated science and that of the information and communication technology. The subjects are the changes that has been made in the new curriculum, which is the career technology, creative art, and computing. That is what the script works on. So if you are trying to use the old HTML files like 2023 or 2024, it will not work on it. So this is how the file works. This is how the script works. I will provide the bec.zip file in the description below. You can download it and then try it with your samples of files which are HTML. And then also note that the files, they are not harmful. I'm talking about the batch script and then the batch script and the Python script. They are not harmful. They don't contain any malware. So you can try it and see how it will work for you. Imagine that you have multiple HTML files. That would solve it or automate it within a matter of seconds. Thank you for watching this video.